tubing for your hair life. By quality bongs, water pipes, and accessories. For cheaper price, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a message and share. We will set a gift to one of our fans every week. Okay. Today, I will introduce a quality Bong glass ball for $6.99 US, free shipping to worldwide. Okay. Let me show you. Wow. Diamond ball glass ball with the 5 color and 2 size. 14 and 18 millimeter. Let me show you every color detail.
I could have bought a place in Dumbo before it was Dumbo for like $2 million.
Blue color.
That same building today is worth $25 million. Guess how I'm feeling? Dumbo. Light nigga, dog nigga, faux nigga, real nigga, rich nigga, pro nigga, house nigga, feel nigga, still nigga.
Black one.
Light nigga, dog nigga, faux nigga, real nigga, rich nigga, pro nigga, house nigga, feel nigga, still nigga. Still nigga. You wanna know what's more
Green one.
Money in a strip club? Credit. You ever wonder why Jewish people own all the property in America?
Gold one.
This how they did it. Financial freedom, my only hope. Fuck living rich and dying broke. I bought some artwork for $1 million. 2 years later, that shit worth $2 million.
Show you our color.
I can't wait to get this shit to my children. Y'all think it's bougie, I'm like, it's fine, but I'm trying to give you $1 million worth of game for $9.99. I turn a 2 to a 4, 4 to an 8. I turn my life into a nice first week release.
Which color you're interested? Please leave a message to me.
You're on the gram holding money to your ear. There's a disconnect. We don't call that money over here.
Okay. If you like this Bong glass ball, you can find the link in our video introduction. In our website, you will find more of our products, bongs, water pipes, and accessories, and free delivery for all. Okay. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.